the House and Senate have passed a gun control bill called the Safer Communities Act. As of today, the president has signed this bill. It is very difficult to predict how this will impact gun owners because so much of the bill is, one, money that has been provided to the states for various items, and then two, the states will then have to enact their own legislation. For instance, in the case of red flag laws, each state is going to have to decide, one, is it going to accept the federal funds, and then two, what type of red flag laws those states are going to pass. So at this point, it's very difficult to predict the impact on individual gun owners. It contains 5 main provisions on gun control, the first of which is hundreds of millions, perhaps billions of dollars in spending on mental health, telehealth, Medicaid, CHIP programs, all directed toward mental health. The second provision is enhanced background checks for folks under the age of 21. Currently, if you go get a background check to purchase a firearm, there's a 3-day waiting period. And if there's no ruling or decision in those 3 days, the gun sale goes through. Now, for folks under 21, there will be a 3-day period where they look into your juvenile records and mental health records. If there is any hint of trouble there will be an additional 10-day period where they can further research those items before allowing the gun sale to go through. So number 3, the red flag section, the federal government will offer $750 million to states that pass red flag laws, which are called extreme risk protection order laws. The state will not be required to pass those laws. However, if they accept the money, then they will have to have a red flag law. The fourth provision is closing what's called the dating loophole. So currently, if you are convicted of domestic violence, which means you physically harmed, say, your wife or your parent, you cannot, for the rest of your life, own or possess firearms. And the current law does not cover what you would say is a boyfriend or a girlfriend. So the Senate bill has enhanced the number of people that are included with that in that definition to include someone that you've had a serious dating relationship with. And then the final provision is what I call a crackdown on gun trafficking and straw man purchases. There is additional funding and enhanced penalties for violating the straw man purchase laws and gun trafficking laws.